Heard it from a friend who, heard it from a friend who, heard it from someone at Lolapalooza.
Lolapalooza 2022 is right around the corner, so I just wanted to touch base with you guys real quick. For those of you that are coming, we will meet in the Wagon Wheel on Thursday at 4 o'clock. So go ahead and meet us there, and then you can pick up your itinerary and know what's going to be going on. Also, I wanted to ask you, if you have a reservation but something has changed and you're not able to make it, would you please let me know? Or if you reserved with the state park, go ahead and let them know and cancel the site. I've got quite a few people on a waiting list who would love to come if something opens up. So just wanted to share that with you, and wanted to let you know one more thing. Currently, as of today, October 7th, there is a burn ban at Abilene State Park. Now, last year, they literally lifted the ban 3 or 4 days before the event, so we were able to get firewood and have campfires. But right now, there is still a burn ban. We'll be keeping our eye on that, and like I said, if they lift it, I will call the wood delivery guy, and we'll have lots of firewood delivered. So that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. It's just short and simple and to the point. So I will see you guys on October 20th at 4 o'clock at Abilene State Park in the middle of the Wagon Wheel Camping Circle. Hope to see you there. Y'all stay lost, my friends.